To set up a fingerprint unlock on the Realme Note 60, first we'll need to open our settings. Then look for the security and privacy. And now let's go for device unlock. Now to actually set up your fingerprint unlock, you need to have a screen lock also set on your device. So before you do that, make sure to set up the pattern, password or PIN. Now when we have that, we can click on Face and Fingerprint Unlock and then select the fingerprint right here. We can add our first or a second or any number of fingerprints, and all we have to do now is just keep tapping with our finger from different directions onto the power button right here, as this is your fingerprint scanner. You can swipe your finger from time to time on the cloth. Okay, so it's done. And here's our second fingerprint. We can unlock our phone using a finger.